So today I'm pretty excited to unbox this. This one's the SAMETOP smartphone holder clamp mount goose clip. You could use this for a desk, pull. It's compatible with the iPhone 16, 15, 14 Pro Max, plus Samsung smartphone and all the GoPro sports cam and all other sports action cameras. For the smartphone device, it supports 4 to 7 inches. And for the smartphone, this one allows you to rotate landscape or portrait mode. So it comes with one phone holder, one goose neck, one clamp mount, one buckle mount for action cam, and one thumb screw. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description. And if there's a coupon box, make sure you click on it before you check it out. And I would like to give a shout out to Maya from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. And the product is made in China. So this is a goose neck. And this is the clamp. Wow. Pretty heavy duty. So this one's for like a GoPro or any other action cam. Okay, and then you put a GoPro on top of here. And this one's for the smartphone. Allow you to adjust. And right here, allow you to loosen it up and rotate 360 degree. There's also a cold shoes mount over here. So you can put your LED flash or other microphone or whatever that you're going to mount that on here. So you need to use a base. And they allow you to rotate different angle and stuff like that. So I could do a portrait mode. Or landscape. And you can put your other action camera here. Okay. So imagine this is a desk, you could climb it. So yeah, this is well made. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.